Hello YouTube. The crops are in, and after tomorrow we're looking at about a 5-day window of nice weather, so I'm thinking about starting to do some haying, cutting some hay. And today I'm working on my Case IH 8309 Discbine. Got a few things I need to do on this thing to get it ready, and I'll show you what I'm working on here. This Discbine has a shoe underneath each of the turtles, and they're starting to get worn. I've just got 3 apart so far, and these aren't the worst ones, but they're getting awfully thin through here. So I've got 6 new shoes. These are $80 a piece, which is about what I would expect them to be. Also, underneath each of the turtles, it has one of these. The shoes go on there like that, and as you can see, these are getting pretty badly worn too. Now these things are about $380 a piece, and I am disinclined to spend over $2,000 to buy new ones of those. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just patch them. I'm going to take some metal and fit it onto there, weld it on there. For what modest amount of hay I make anymore, that should do just fine. So I'm going to get these 3 fixed and put them back on before I take anything else apart. We're supposed to have storms rolling through later today, so I'm not sure how long I'll be able to work outside, but I'll get these 3 done, get it back, those back on, then I'll decide what else I'm going to do. But I'll get these 3 fixed up, and I will bring you back and show you the results. Okay, I've got these 3 patched up. They didn't turn out too bad. They're probably good enough for what I need. I need to pick up some more of this 1¼ inch by 1/8 inch flat steel to do the rest of them. So I will probably put these on, put the new shoes on, and then go in the house and have lunch and sit for a while because my arthritic back is barking at me a bit. I still need to get the baler out, do a little work on that. I need to get the V-rake out, do a little bit on that. So I might just run these 3 for right now, and then after a while go at the other ones. So let me get this thing together now. Okay, I've got the 3 that I had off done, and back on the Discbine with the new shoes on them. I think that'll do the trick. But I'm kind of pooped out right now, so I'm going to go in the house and sit down for a while. The one on that end is the one that's worn the least. And the 2 that I've got remaining, that one there and the one down on the end, are worn the worst. But now that I've done some of them, I've got a pretty good idea of how to approach the other ones. I do need to pick up some more of the steel that I used on these. That worked out pretty well. So I'm going to, I've already greased the Discbine, so I'm going to just kind of button this up, and this thing is pretty much ready to cut hay. I will do the other 3 in between first cutting and second cutting. So I have to get the baler out and do some other things now. So if I don't put any more onto this video, I don't know how long it is. Might end up being a short one, but if that's the case, well, we'll see you next time. And until then, everyone have a good day.